Hello all, I am Dr. Prabhas Sanjanbal. Today, in today's class, we'll discuss a new type of DFA construction. Okay. The first question: design a DFA. Design a DFA for the language L equal to a to the power n. N is greater or equal to 0. Language a to the power n. N is greater or equal to 0. Over the input alphabet. Only A. Right? See here, what is the valid string for this given language? What is the valid string for this given language? The valid string means this language will generate the strings like epsilon. If n equal to 0, it will generate a to the power n. A to the power n means a to the power 0. A to the power 0 means it will generate epsilon. If n equal to 1, it will generate a to the power 1 means a. If n equal to 2, it will generate double A. If n equal to 3, it will generate triple A. That means it will generate epsilon, A, double A, triple A, like this type of language, this type of strings. Okay. Now we'll construct the DFA. Remember one note point. Since any language will generate, if any language will generate epsilon, so the initial state of the DFA must be final state. Okay. Note point is, if any language generates epsilon, then the initial state of the DFA must be final state. Okay. How to draw? The initial state must be the final state. Initial state means Q0. This one must be the final state. Okay, like this. Okay. First thing, it will generate epsilon. Okay. Now it will generate epsilon. Q0 epsilon. It will generate A, double A, triple A, like this. So A is a self loop. Okay, because it is the power of 1, it is the power of 2, it is the power of 3, next the power of 4, like this. So A is a self loop. Okay, hope all of you understand this question. Okay, then we will construct the next question. Design a DFA for the language L equal to a to the power n. N is greater or equal to 1. Okay, over the input alphabet A. Okay, here n is greater or equal to A. That means the string will generate, the minimum string is here A, because if n equal to 1, so a to the power 1 means this is A. Then it will generate double A, triple A, like this. Okay, so the since minimum string is A, so okay, now the DFA looks like this: Q0, then Q1, then Q1. What is the minimum string? The minimum string is here A. After that, many edges may be coming. Many edges means there may be 2a, there may be 3a, maybe 4a, like this. So Q0 is my initial state and Q1 is my final state. Okay, hope all of you understand. If n will start from 1, the DFA looks like this. If n is starts from 0, the DFA will look like this. Okay. Now we'll construct some different types of DFA. Like this. Okay. Design a DFA for language like a to the power n, b to the power m, n comma m greater or equal 0. n m greater or equal 0. See here, if n equal to 0 and m equal to 0, it will generate epsilon. It will generate epsilon. It will generate epsilon. If n equal to 0, it will generate the string like any number of bits, any number of n equal to 0 and suppose m equal to 1, it will generate b. If n equal to 0, m equal to 2, it will generate double b. If n equal to 0, m equal to 3, it will generate triple b, like this. Okay, here it will generate triple b. Suppose if n equal to 1, m equal to 0, it will generate the string like a. If n equal to 2, m equal to 0, the string will generate like 2a. Okay, or if n equal to 1, if m equal to 1, the string generated, the string or the language will generate the strings looks like ab. Okay, but remember one thing, this language will generate epsilon. Since it generates epsilon, so the initial state of the DFA must be final state. Okay, so Q0 must be the final state. So Q0 must be the final state. Okay, hope all of you understand. One thing remember, if m equal to 0, it will generate, if m equals to 0, if m is always 0, it will generate the string look like a, double a, triple a, means a is a self loop, okay, right. Then b means, this is Q1 state, this is b will go to Q1 state. Okay, what is the minimum string here? Since b will starts from 0, b is also starts from, means for b power means m is also starts from 0, so Q1 must be the final state. And is also a self loop, because there is many number of b's will come. Okay, according to DFA rule, every state must, here input alphabet is a comma b. According to DFA rule, every state must read each and every alphabets. See here, Q0 already reads a, b, Q1 already reads b, then Q1 will read a. One thing, tell me, here many number of, suppose 2a to b, this is a valid string. After b or when b will start, after b no a will start. Suppose for example a double b A, this is an invalid string because after B there is no A will start. If A will start, that will go to dead state. If A will start, that will go to dead state. Okay. Okay. Hope all of you understand this question. Okay. The next question. The next question. The next question. L equal to A to the power n, B to the power m, n comma m greater or equal 1. N comma m greater or equal 1. Okay. What is the minimum string is here? AB. What is the minimum string here? AB. If n equal to 1 and m equal to 1, the minimum string is here AB. Okay, now we'll draw the minimum string Q0, Q1, Q2. Q2 is my final state. The minimum string is here A, B. Okay. See here, the first alphabet or the first symbol must start with A. If it will start with B, then that will go to dead state. That will be go to dead state. Okay. Okay. It reads A, B. Since there may be many number of A will come, like triple A or many number of B, so A be a loop. So A must be a loop. Okay. So there are many number of B will become. There are many number of B will come. So B is a self loop. So B is a self loop. Okay. After B, no A will start. After B, no A will start. If A will start, that will go to dead state. If A will start, that will go to dead state. Okay. You can also simply draw this question, this type of language. Okay, you can see here from the starting of the DFA, A to the power n means that will be, if V here A to the power n means A must be a loop. Either n will starts from 0 or 2 or 1, whatever it may be, but A must be a loop. If n will starts from 0, A is a self loop on final state. A is a self loop on final state. See here the next question. If since A starts from n starts from 1, the minimum string is here A. So A is also a self loop, but the minimum string is, since it is a minimum string, so it will require 2 states. Okay. It is the combination of first one. It is the combination, means A to the power n, B to the power n. Okay. A is a self loop, B is also self loop on final state, because nm starts from 0. Because nm starts from 0. Okay. Since it is the combination of nm, AB and nm starts from 1, so A is also a self loop and B is also a self loop. Okay. It is A into A is a self loop, here B and B is a self loop. Okay. Okay. The next question. The next question. L equal to A to the power n, B to the power m, n is greater or equal to 0, m is greater or equal to 1. Okay. Here, what is the minimum string? The minimum string is here B. The minimum string is here B. So this is Q0 state. This is Q1 state, means it is final state. This is B. A is also self loop. A is a self loop. A is a self loop. Okay. B is also be a self loop, but it is minimum string is here B. But its minimum string is here B. See here, after B, there is no A will start. After B, no A will start. So if A will start, that will go to dead state. That will go to dead state. This is called QD. QD. Okay. Okay. This is one type of question. The next question is like L equal to A to the power n, B to the power m, n is greater or equal to 1, m is greater or equal to 0. Okay. What is the minimum string is here? The minimum string is here A. So now we'll draw the DFA Q0, then Q1, Q0, Q1. The minimum string is like this one. Okay. There may be many number of A's will come like this. Okay. So B, this is B and this is Q2 state. Q2 state and multiple number of B's may be coming. Okay. So after B, okay, A, B, okay. Here the minimum string is A, but if we'll start from B, then it will go to dead state. It will go to dead state. So Q0 is my initial state. If I'll start from B, then it will go to dead state. A comma B. Q0 is AB, Q1 is AB, Q2 is B. After reading B, suppose AB is a valid string. AB is a valid string. After B, A will not start. After B, A will not start. If A will start, this is a invalid string and go to dead state. Okay. Okay. The next question, the language is like A to the power n, B to the power m, n is greater or equal to 2, m is greater or equal to 0. Okay. What is the minimum string? The minimum string is here double A. The minimum string is here double A. Okay. So now we'll construct the DFA. Okay. The minimum string is here double A. This is Q0. This is Q1. This is Q2. Q2 is my final state. The minimum string is here double A. Okay. So after 2A, it must be a loop because it may come 3A, may come 4A, may come 5A like this. Okay. Then B may start. Means double A, B may starts. So like this, this is Q3 start. This is Q3 state and this is B is a loop and B is a loop. Okay. So Q0 is my initial state. Okay. See here, the first symbol must be A. If it is A, if it is B, the first A must be A. If it is B, that will go to dead state. So this is QD state. If it is B, that will go to dead state. Okay. So see here, the second alphabet must be A. If it is the second, if second alphabet is B, that will go to dead state. Okay. Q2 already reads AB. See here Q3. After B like this, we can't start A. If A will start, then it will go to dead state. If A will start, then it will go to dead state. Okay. The next question. The language is like A to the power n, B to the power m, n is greater or equal to 3, m is greater or equal to 0. What is the minimum string here? The minimum string is here triple A. So now we'll draw the DFA. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. The minimum string is here A, and A, and Q3 is also the final state. So A is a self-loop on Q3 state, because minimum 3A will come after minimum 3A, then 4A may be coming, then 5A may come, like this. Okay. Then B may become, then B will come. So B is also a self-loop like Q4 state, and Q4 is a final state. There may be many number of B's will come. Okay. See here, first alphabet must be A. If it is B, that will go to dead state. That will be go to Q0 is the initial state. That will be go to dead state. The second alphabet must be A. If it is B, that will go to dead state. The third alphabet must be A. If it is B, that will go to dead state. Q3 already reads AB. Then B may come. After B, A will not come. If A will come, that will go to dead state. Okay. Hope all of you understand. Okay. The next question, for language L, A to the power n, B to the power m, C to the power k, n comma m comma k greater or equal to 0. Okay. If n equal to 0, m equal to 0, k equal to 0, so it will generate epsilon. So the initial state must be the final state. So the initial state must be the final state. Like Q0 is the final state. So it will generate many number of A is a self-loop here, because many number of A's may be coming. Okay. Also, if we'll take many number of A's may be coming, or triple A like this. See here, many number of B's may be coming. like Q1. So Q1 is a B self loop. So here many number of C may be coming. So Q2 is a self loop of C. So Q2 is a self loop of C. Okay. Now we'll combine using the transition rule. This is B and this is C. Okay. See here A, B, C is a valid string. Here A, here B and C. See here B, C is a valid string. Here B, here C. Okay. See here A, C is a valid string. Here A. So C will combine from here Q0 to Q2 state. Okay. So Q0 already reads. This is the input alphabet for A, B, C. Okay. Here input alphabet is A, B, C. Q0 already reads A, B, C. Q1 already reads B, C. So, okay, if after B, no A will start, means A, B, A, C. After B, no A will start. If A will start, then go to dead state. Okay, right? Here, A, B, C. After C, there is no B will start. If B will start, that will go to dead state. Okay. Suppose, for example, A, B, C, A. After C, no A will start. If A will start, then go to dead state. So it is A, B, C. Okay. Q1 already reads A, B, C. Q2 already reads A, B, C. Okay. This is your DFA diagram. Okay. If any doubt, you can ask any questions to comment box. Okay. Then next question. The next question is like language L equal to A to the power 2n, n is greater or equal to 1. Okay. Just see what is the minimum string. If n equal to 1, the minimum string is here double A. If n equal to 2, the minimum string is here 4A. If n equal to 3, the minimum string is here 6A, like this. Okay. So what is the minimum string? The minimum string is 2A. Now we'll draw Q0, Q1, Q2. The minimum string is here double A. Okay. See, this is the 2A, then 4A. 4A means this is first A, second A. I can't take it is a self loop. If I'll take here self loop, so 3A may be accepted. 3A will accept. 3A is a valid string. But 3A is a invalid string. So A is not a self loop on Q2 state. So A is not a self loop on Q2 state. 1A, 2A, then it will go back like this. Okay. 1A, 2A, then 3A, again 4A. Okay. Then suppose 6A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In this way, you can draw this diagram. Okay. Then we'll construct one more question. Suppose language L equal to A to the power 3n. Okay. N is greater or equal to 1. Okay. What is the minimum string here? If n equal to 1, the minimum string is 3a. If n equal to 2, the minimum string is here 6a. If n equal to 3, the minimum string here 9a. Okay. Now the minimum string here 3a. So now we'll construct, this is q0, this is q1, this is q2, this is q3. Okay. Now we'll construct the minimum string here. Okay. 3a. Okay. The next string is 6a. See here, I can a on q2 state. I can, or a will not stay on q3 state, because if a will stay on q3 state, 4a may be valid, but it is an invalid string. Okay, so it will go back on q2 state. Okay, now we'll check. Q2 state. See here, if a will back to q2 state, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5a will accept by the DFA. So, but 5a is an invalid string. So, this a will back to q1 state. Now we'll check for q1 state. Okay, q1 state. So now it will accept. Okay, this is the 6a. First 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, then 6. Then I will check for the 9a. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So here, see here, if a is 2 to the power n, so how many number of states? Total 3 number of states. Total 3 number of states. The number of states equal to 3. Okay. Here a is 3 to a to the power 3n, means how many number of states? 4 states. That means here means 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. Here 3 plus 1 means this 3 plus 1. Okay. The next question, if L equal to a to the power n k and k is greater or equal to 1 and k is greater or equal to 1, how many number of states? The number of states equal to n plus 1. This is one of the note point. This is one of the note. How many number of states? Okay. Okay. The next question. Construct a DFA for the language like L equal to a to the power 2 to the power n, n is greater or equal to 0. Construct a DFA for a language like a to the power 2 to the power n, n is greater or equal to 0. We cannot construct DFA for this type of language because 2 to the power n is just like a GP. GP means geometric progression. GP means geometric progression. Okay. So that's why DFA can't construct for this type of language. Okay. Suppose one more example, L equal to a to the power n factorial, n is greater or equal to 1. We cannot construct DFA for this type of language because n factorial, because it is a factorial. Okay. Okay, one note point here. One note point. DFA is not possible. DFA is not possible for HP means harmonic progression. HP means harmonic progression. Geometric progression. GP means geometric progression. Then factorial. Then factorial. Okay. DFA is not possible for harmonic progression, geometric progression, factorial. Okay. One more note point. DFA is only possible. DFA is only possible for AP. AP means arithmetic progression. DFA is only possible for AP. AP means arithmetic progression. For example, L equal to a to the power 2n, n is greater or equal to 1. L equal to a to the power 3n, n is greater or equal to 1. Okay. So DFA is possible for arithmetic progression, not for only. It is not for only. Okay. DFA is possible for arithmetic progression. DFA is not possible for harmonic progression, geometric progression, and factorial. Okay. Hope all of you understand. It is also one type of DFA construction. Okay. Okay. Thanks for today's class, and also thanks for watching.